Hello everyone, welcome back. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments, do you like talking on the phone? Today we are calling a friend. I sit on the sofa, I have my phone. I want to call my friend. I have some time.
That is nice. A phone call is simple. Who do you want to call?
I want to call Anna. I did not talk to her today. I want to say hello. Just a short call. I take my phone. I press her name. The phone is ringing. I wait.
That moment, waiting for the answer. Always a little strange. What happens?
She answers. She says, "Hello?" I smile. I say, "Hi, Anna." She says, "Hi, Jane. How are you?" She sounds nice.
Good start. Simple questions. Easy talk. What do you say?
I say, "I'm good. And you?" I wait. She says, "I'm good too. Just a little busy." That is okay. I hear her voice. She sounds a little busy. I listen carefully. I want to understand. She says, "I am at work now. I have many things to do." She sounds tired.
That is common. People are busy during the day. What do you say?
I say, "Oh, I understand. No problem." I speak softly. I do not want to disturb her. I say, "Are you free later?" I ask.
Good question. Simple and polite. What is her answer?
She says, "Yes, I am free in the evening, after 6." That is good. I smile. I say, "Great, I will call you later." Easy plan.
That is a good way. You respect her time. And you make a new plan. Simple and clear.
I want to make the plan clear. I speak slowly. "What time is good for you?" I wait. She says, "After 6 is good. Maybe 7?" That sounds fine.
Good, clear time. Evening call. Easy to remember. What do you say?
I say, "Yes, 7 is perfect. I will call you at 7." Simple plan. She says, "Great, talk to you later." She sounds busy again. I keep it short.
Good communication. Short and clear. No long talk now. That is polite.
I say, "Okay, see you later. Good luck at work." Friendly words. She says, "Thank you. Talk to you at 7." We end the call. It is evening now. I look at the clock. It is 7 o'clock. Time to call. I take my phone. I press her name. The phone is ringing. I listen.
This is the second call. Now she is free. No rush. Better time to talk.
She answers quickly. She says, "Hi, Jane." Her voice is relaxed. I feel good. I say, "Hi, Anna. Are you free now?" I ask.
Good check. Simple and polite. What does she say?
She says, "Yes, I am at home now. I am not busy." That is perfect. I smile. I sit down. I feel relaxed. Now we can talk. I feel relaxed now. I start the conversation. I say, "How was your day?" I listen. She says, "It was busy. Many things at work." She laughs a little.
That is a common answer. Busy day. What do you say?
I say, "I understand. My day was quiet." I speak simply. I continue. "I stayed at home. I had some free time." It was easy.
Good contrast. Busy versus quiet. That makes conversation. Nice.
She says, "That sounds nice. I need a quiet day." She smiles. I laugh. I say, yes, quiet is good. We agree.
That is how people connect. Simple experiences, shared feelings, easy talk.
After talking about the day, I have an idea. I want to meet again. I ask. I say, do you want to meet tomorrow? Maybe for coffee? I wait.
Good, simple invitation. Easy words. Clear idea. What does she say?
She thinks for a moment. Then she says, yes, I am free tomorrow. That is good. I smile. I say, great. I feel happy.
Nice. Now make it clear. Time and place. That is important.
I say, let's meet at 2, at the same cafe. Easy plan. She says, yes, perfect. See you tomorrow. Done.
That was easy. Simple talk, simple plan, good result.
After the call, I put my phone down. I sit quietly. I feel good. I think about tomorrow. We will meet again. Coffee and talk. I feel excited.
That is a nice feeling. When you have a plan, you look forward to it. It makes you happy.
I smile to myself. I say, tomorrow will be nice. I believe it. I feel a little nervous, too, but not too much. Just a little. It is okay.
A little nervous is good. It means you care. And you are ready. That is a good sign.
I stand up slowly. I get ready for sleep. I want to rest well. Tomorrow is important. I go to bed. I close my eyes. I think one last time. See you tomorrow. It is morning now. I open my eyes. I look at the window. It is a new day. I remember the plan. Today I will meet Anna at 2 o'clock. I smile.
That is a good start. When you have a plan, mornings feel better. More energy.
I get out of bed. I stretch a little. I feel fresh. I feel ready. I go to the kitchen. I make some breakfast. I eat slowly. No rush.
Good, calm morning. Not busy. You have time. That is nice.
After breakfast, I look at the time. It is still early. I have time. I think about the meeting. Coffee and a walk again. Simple and nice. I feel good. Time passes slowly. I sit on the sofa. I look at the clock. It is 12 o'clock. I check my phone. No new messages. Everything is quiet. I wait.
Waiting time can feel long, even if you are not busy. What do you do?
I read a little. Just a simple book. It helps me relax. Time moves. Then I look again. It is 1 o'clock now. 1 more hour. Getting closer.
Now the feeling changes. Less waiting, more excitement. The time is near. Almost ready.
I stand up. I walk around a little. I check my clothes. Everything is okay. I look at the clock again. It is 1:45. 15 minutes. Time to go soon. It is 1:50 now. I take my bag. I check my phone. Everything is ready. I look around the room. Keys, phone, wallet. All good. No problem.
Good check. Always important before leaving. No stress later. Ready to go.
I put on my shoes. I open the door. I take a deep breath. Let's go. I walk outside. The weather is nice. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect day.
That helps a lot. Good weather, good mood. Everything is ready.
I start walking, step by step. The cafe is not far. I know the way. I feel calm and excited. No rush now, just a nice walk. I smile. Today was a simple day. I made a phone call. I talked to my friend. We made a plan. I learned something. It is easy to stay in touch. Just call and say hello. That is enough.
Yes, that is the lesson. Simple communication is important. A short call can make you happy and bring people closer. You do not need big plans. Just a simple meeting. Coffee and a walk. That is enough.
If you liked this episode, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, do you call your friends often?
We would love to hear your story. Thank you for listening today. See you in the next episode.